Hi, good morning, Rakesh. How are you, bro?
Hi, good morning, Mr. Kumar. I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also very good today, Mr. Rakesh. And today topic is my favorite. It may be anything.
Yes.
Okay, so we will discuss about that. And I hope this topic would be very interesting. And
Yes.
so, Mr. Rakesh, who will speak first?
Okay, I start first.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you so much for selecting this interesting topic. Okay. Because the thing
Yes.
is that in this modern society, everyone is using mobile phone. Okay. And instead of this, like we can say that if we talk about the ratio, then the 10% people or the more less than 10% people are using hard copy or they are reading books. So assume that my hobby is reading books. So recently or in previous days, I have read many types of books like Rich Dad and Poor Dad. But I can say that out of these books, the one most interesting book and by which I learned a lot of things. This is only Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Because as you know, you have already read about it. There is a very popular story of Mike and their friend Christian and Poor Dad. In this book, the writer has explained the thoughts of two dads, Christian and Poor Dad. And because of this book, we also learned the primary basics definition of business, like why business is important and how money works for you, rather than you will or you are not working for money. In this, the rich dad is explaining that firstly you need to complete your basic education, and with the help of and as well as along with your basic education, you need to also work towards your skill as well. If you are learning that how can I make money using this education practically, then you can do a lot of things in your life. You can get a better position, even better life in the in space of we can in the case of financial freedom, you can get leverage of time. You can get a lot of things. So for me, this Standard Code that was very interesting book for me, and I was also thinking that I should also read it again so that I can grab a lot of things. I can learn new things. Okay. So as you know that the rich dad and poor dad, there are two dads. Rich dad is saying that you complete your graduation or your basic education, and you also learn that how to make money. But instead of this, the poor dad is explaining that you have to read or you need to read. You need to get good marks so that you can find a good job rather than learn that how to earn money. As you know that the poor dad is explaining or the poor dad is actually working in a job. He is paying his bills or EMIs whenever he gets salary, so that time he pay. But the rich dad is also paying his EMIs or paying his bills. But after investing his money from the interest amount, he is paying these type of bills and EMIs. So from this book we can learn that if you want to earn money or if you want stability in your life, if you want a pipeline or if you want a security or financial freedom, then you need to work on your skill. You need to go ahead towards business. Because in job we cannot say that there is a future, because as you know that after completing 5 or 6 years, and you know the politics in the offices, whatever the people is working very hardly for the promotion, even to those people who are actually not working, but they are showing that they are working. They are become friendly of seniors. Because of that, they get promotion. And secondly, that you know that if you will not get any growth on behalf of your skills and behalf of your work, then it will be worthless for you. And after that, if you want increment, so you will change. The entire life will finish to change the job one company to another company. And if you will your own business, so then you can earn a lot of money. You can get time. You can spend time with your family. Okay. So thank you so much. Now you can start.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rakesh. You explained very well, and I think you had a study the Rich Dad Poor Dad. So
Yes.
it is a very motivational book, and it provides a lot of knowledge, and they encourage to do the business. Okay, so
Yes.
let's first of all discuss about the topic. So today topic is the my favorite. So my favorite means it means anything like uh, what kind of things I like. And if I talk about I like most read the book, and I make the conversation with the people, and I make the people with without any hesitation, without any uh, you know anything, any problem. Okay, I like I like the people, and also in these days I'm making the conversation to the stranger people. So, and I feel very good, and when I talk to the stranger person, and I exchange the knowledge to the each others, because sometimes I connect to the out of country, and all over India, like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Odisha, Bengal. Okay, I make the conversation with the people, and I enjoy a lot while doing the conversation, and they are asking uh, about the career, and we will discuss about the career, and anything climate or whatever. There are various type of the topics while discussing, okay, at the time. And if I talked about the my favorite is also I like the creativity, like I want to make the website, and I connect to the people, and i I try to find the client who works online platform, and who has run some kind of the business. So I want to help to them, and uh, to support them how to go to the online, and how to move your uh, business to the online by website, and you can generate a lot of uh, you know uh, your income on the Google, on online, because today is a digital India, and digital the world. So you can access anything online, because mostly people mostly people to search mostly people spend a lot of time in the social media. So if you are the businessman, then if you show your product on the social media, definitely your product will be exposed, and your product will be very uh, they will get, or they will buy your product if they will see, and they will find the affordable price, and they will find the quality, then they will purchase your product. And it is a very good platform to advertise your product, and promote your product. And also in the business sorry, in the futures, I also try to do the business in the future. And I have also read the Rich Dad Poor Dad, and after reading the Rich and Poor Dad, I got mad, because I don't want to do the business. Sorry, I don't want to do the job. I also searching about the business, and I thinking about the business only. and
Yeah.
yeah, that book PDF is available in my computer. And also when I opened my computer, that time I started 10 to 15 minutes daily on that book. And it is a very amazing book, bro. I think each and every people need to study this book and get the knowledge from the rich dad and poor dad. I think if any people read this book, definitely they will leave the job. They will start any kind of the business, bro, because it is a very amazing book. I think you have. And one of the boy, yesterday or day after yesterday, I talked to that book regarding. And he also, I think he 100 times read this book. And I don't know why they read this kind of times, 100 times. But I asked, why did you read 100 times? Because when I when I read this book, I got a lot of different kind of the things and different kind of the knowledge. So that's why I reading the book continuously 100 times. And I
Okay.
have read only at least 5 times. Okay. And but it is a very amazing book, bro. And my favorite book is a Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, which is a read last times. And another books, I read that other book, like it is in Hindi version, so I don't uh, read mostly, because I like read the book to English book. Okay. and
Okay.
and if I talk about the my favorite is I'm doing the like digital platforms, like making the video. And I want to become the freelancer in the future also, because it is a very good platform. And it is my passion. And I am interested in the web designing, so I think it is a good platform to work to online. And then I will get the client. But okay, thank you, Mr. Rakesh. I hope this topic is very interesting. Okay. And you are looking very smart today, bro, because your saving and everything is a difference last 1 month. And
Mm-hmm.
thank you, Mr. Rakesh.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.